years. The answers to these basic questions will unfold today. I have invited key partners to join me in this undertaking, for only in nurturing clarity of purpose and objectives among stakeholders or key players in government, that we appreciate the efforts of government in making things happen as a response to the needs of our constituents.